Hi everyone, I'm Helen. This is the Shrimpy McGee channel. This is my kid Cillian. He's got his own channel on YouTube. It's called Kid the Kid. I'll put a link to it.
You already said it.
No, I did that in the last video, not this video.
Oh.
Kid the Kid. He's got his own channel. I'll link to it below. In the meantime, we wanted to do another quick video about another donut shop. Our last one was about Tim Hortons, and this one's about another donut shop called
Dunkin Donuts.
Dunkin Donuts. So Cillian, I don't have anything planned. I don't know what we're going to talk about in this one. I just know that we're talking about Dunkin Donuts. What do we know about Dunkin Donuts?
Okay,
Cillian?
it's an American store. It started in Massachusetts.
It's a coffee shop?
Yep. Well, it's a coffee and donut shop. It
Right.
started in Massachusetts.
Okay, cool. What else do we know?
Oh, and remember, in Tim Hortons, they have these kinds of donuts, like glazed. They have double chocolate.
Yes.
They have vanilla dip. They
Yes.
have chocolate dip and stuff.
Yes.
But the truth is, the guy who created Tim Hortons copied Dunkin Donuts.
Oh, interesting. Okay, because we have a lot of similar donuts here, don't we?
Yes, that's the whole thing.
So-
Although we have Timbits unlike them.
No, I think they have little donut holes or something like that. I think they have something similar. But yes, we have Timbits. We're really famous for having Timbits, which is the hole inside of a donut, all glazed and really tasty. And it's nice, this little nice small bite instead of a bigger donut. But anyhow, let's talk about Chicago. We were in Chicago, was it last month?
Yeah.
And what did we do there? We really wanted to try
Dunkin Donuts.
Right, so we did a taste test. We got 3 different donuts. I got my usual sprinkle donut, which is called a vanilla dip here at Tim Hortons. I can't remember what it was called there. Maybe it was called a sprinkle donut. Don't know. Cillian, what did you get?
Same as usual, glazed.
And I don't remember what Daddy got. Do you remember?
I think chocolate dip.
Oh, chocolate dip. Okay, so chocolate dip is like a plain donut with just like a frosting of chocolate, like a ring of chocolate.
That Dunkin Donuts created and then Tim Hortons copy.
Okay, fine. What did we think of the donuts, though? What was your opinion?
With my donut, the truth is, my donut was way too sweet. It was sweet like a lollipop.
That sweet?
Yeah, it was sweet like a lollipop.
That's gross. Yeah. Actually, I tasted some of yours. It was really too sweet.
Like a
lollipop. Yeah. Mine was not that bad. It wasn't that good either. Mine also was just cloyingly sweet, and I didn't like it. And I think that the one at Tim Hortons is as sweet, but the flavors are nicer. That was my opinion. And then I can't remember. Did Daddy like his?
I don't really think so.
I don't think he liked his either. So our opinion was that we didn't like it. Maybe it was just that Dunkin Donuts, but we just found the Dunkin Donuts really, really sweet. Any other facts about Dunkin Donuts?
Okay.
Do we have them here anymore in Toronto?
Okay, so the truth is this.
Yeah.
Okay. They have Dunkin Donuts in the United States, and it was from there, Massachusetts, but
Yeah.
they have it in 3 other countries, such as Japan, Spain, and Canada,
Okay.
where we live.
Right.
But we're in Toronto, and what happened was this. Okay, Dunkin Donuts started 47 years ago.
Okay.
And what happened was it came to Japan, Spain, and Canada. Okay, it
Right.
came to Canada where we live.
Yeah.
And- But what happened was
Okay, get to the point already. What happened?
the Dunkin Donuts did not do well here because we already had Tim Hortons. That it started vanishing in the 2000s. Okay, it started vanishing.
So Dunkin Donuts started vanishing, and so there are no more Dunkin Donuts in Canada?
Yep. It just in the 2000s and late 90s they kept disappearing.
Yeah. Bye-bye Dunkin Donuts.
Just vanished.
Vanished. All right, so that's it. That's the history, the very short history of Dunkin Donuts in Canada. Bye, everyone.
Bye.